Hi there. We just got all the beach photos. Jishan, you got the beach photo, yeah? Our beach photo. Show. Just show. There's a beach photo. It's there. More. He really like. You like the beach photo?
Yes.
Yes. Shall we show it to them also?
Yes.
We will show them?
Yes.
Okay. Stay connected to see all the beach photos. That day we went to the beach. So we took plenty of photos. We got the Expo 2020 background also. Did you go to the beach?
Yes.
Yes. When? You did not take me. You did not take me.
I'll give you the cup.
You did not give me.
Oops.
No, you did not take me. What? Give me. You did not. You did not take me to the beach.
But I'll take and go.
You take me tomorrow?
Yes. And to shower.
You have? You have beach costume?
I am bring and come.
We have beach ball.
We take and come.
Why are you confused? You don't have or you have?
Don't have. And Kiran is wrapping his car very helicopter. What's up, everybody? My name is Ritam and this is Jishan, the small happy birthday boy.
Always happy birthday. Say bye bye. See the photos. See the photos.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.